All right, good morning. I just want to share with you guys my new seat that I got on the Indian Scout Bobber. So you can see it's a different type of seat. It's a little different. So I'm just gonna make a short video here just so you guys can see it, how it looks. Kind of gives it a whole different look. What do you guys think? A little more streamlined. It's a special edition that was made by Mustang seats. Give it a more different profile. As you can see there, how it looks. That's how it looks from the top. A view from the front. It's also more streamlined. But it's a Mustang seat, so obviously it's much better. The padding is their padding. I'll give you a close-up. Got it yesterday. Here's another close-up. You can see. What do you guys think? Leave your comments, like the video. Obviously we're all looking for the best comfortable seat other than a stock, and this is what I found. Obviously I found it online. This is meant for the Indian Scout, not the Scout Bobber, but fits perfectly. Doesn't move. Actually I moved the whole bike when I rock it. It still uses the same pin that's in the front here. It has a little screw hole here, so I guess you could create a plate, or maybe there's a plate that I could buy. I gotta check. But for now, definitely I love the seat. Very comfortable. It actually pushes you back about maybe an inch. Well, obviously it's comfortable here. Here, let me show you the logo. What do you guys think? What do you guys think of the look of the bike? I guess you could have somebody sit back here, pat it, but I guess it's just meant more of a style, more of a clean sweep. That way it doesn't look like that. The other ones, there's a little more bulky, more raised, I guess it could be. Yeah, so that's the video. All right, guys, please like the video, subscribe if you want to see more of the mods that I've done. Obviously you guys probably seen this mod that I did for locking up my helmet. Really nice mod. It was like $20, so that really made a difference. Definitely I got the drag bars on it. Got my phone holder and the freeway bars, which have helped me a lot. There was something fell off on the freeway and it was bouncing my way and it hit the bars. It would have hit my leg for sure, because it was right, it hit that somewhere down there. You'll see the scuff, but that definitely saved me, and that was like probably a month after I bought them. So here's the drag bar, so you can see the low profile. All right, have a good one, and please like, subscribe, and I'll definitely like to be part of your group there with all the videos that we all see with other Indian Scout Bobbers. All right, bye.